Top 10 Car Wash in Vancouver. 1. AutoFlow Car Wash and Detailing, 535 reviews, 1020B, SW Marine Drive. 2. Revup Car Wash, 529 reviews, Seymour St. 3. Revup Car Wash, 58 reviews, East 8th Avenue number 208. 4. Revup Car Wash, 57 reviews, Robson St number 808. 5. Clark Drive Car Wash and Detailing Services, Car Interior Cleaning and Exterior Cleaning Services in Vancouver, 4.9 111 reviews, Clark Dr. 6. Spark Car Wash and Auto Detailing, 4.9 17 reviews, Parking Level 3 of Royal Centre. 7. Express Auto Wash Boundary, 4.7 1621 reviews, East 4th Avenue. 8. Shine Auto Wash Burnaby, 4.2 1639 reviews, Gilley Avenue. 9. Fraser Car Wash and Auto Detailing, 4.2 150 reviews, East 45th Avenue. 10. Car King Car Wash, 4.1 165 reviews, Powell St.